Mara and me are gonna show you how to do the power beach waves. It is how to get strong waves for fine hair. Mara already shampooed the hair with the ADDPOWER shampoo. And now she's gonna show you how she applies the ADDPOWER Strengthening Fluid, which allows the hair to be light and weightless. Coming to style now, Mara's gonna apply the KMS ADDPOWER Thickening Spray, which you can't use too much of this. Perfect. Coming to the finish, we're gonna use the THERMASHAPE 2-in-1 spray to create some beach waves. Just a little secret I want to add to it is the sea salt spray to give a bit of an extra beach feel. And there we go, you got the real power beach wave look.